Hi, I'm Joseph McClendon III, and if I know you, then welcome. And if I don't, then it's a pleasure to make your acquaintance, at least through this video anyway. At the risk of sounding arrogant, I'm what's known as the ultimate performance specialist. And all that really means is, for many, many years, through workshops and seminars and live interventions and one-on-one trainings, I help people get the very best out of themselves. And the purpose of this short clip is to tell you really about a couple really important things and a couple cool things that are going to make a huge difference in your life. And I know that might sound hype, but you'll see that it's true. Number one is that I'm very excited to be working with Synchronize and the creators of SpinGlow and bringing to the forefront something that's a true game changer across the board for us all. And here's what I mean by that. It's no secret that the future of direct marketing, MLM marketing, and network marketing is in leveraging social networks and building fantastic customer bases and offering them world-class products at advantageous prices. That's a no-brainer. Everybody knows that. But what's not so obvious is that one's success in that all comes down to the activity that they take, the things that they do, and that duplicated activity of their organization. Said differently, fear of failure, fear of success, procrastination, hesitation, excuses, all of those things that hinder our forward motion are very real, and they're the thieves of our dreams. And when we understand what those things really are, and then we learn how to eradicate them, and then we do it, then the whole game changes across the board, and we go further faster. Said differently, change how you think and you'll change what you do. If you change what you do, you will determine what the results that you're going to get. And if we can help others do the same thing, then like I said, it's a game changer across the board. It's not knowledge, it's activity. And through understanding the psychology of activity, one can overcome what I call the hurdles to success and go further faster, I like to say. And that's the second reason why I'm so excited. Shortly, I'm going to introduce to you something called the psychology of activity. And I'm going to show you exactly how to implement it in yourself and in your organization. And it's fun, it's simple, and it's designed to create rapid results in everybody. So stay tuned. And by the way, I want you to know that I'm not just one of those guys that's teaching theory. And what I mean by that is I practice what I preach. I have an organization of my own. And that organization, by utilizing what I'm going to teach you, has produced close to $20 million in sales in the last little while. And it just keeps on growing. And I know that's what you want as well. So if this interests you, then stay tuned, because we're going to rewrite the story of your life. And it'll be my pleasure to serve you. So remember, life is exactly what you dare to make it, and fortune favors the bold. So boldly step up and dare to make your life magnificent. I will see you at the top. Bye-bye.